Next on the agency.
Somebody offer you 20K, pick up a laptop, and you no question that?
Me no know him.
You've been a runner for the Swamp Lane gang for the past 2 years.
I'm sure then, sir.
You are not supposed to go anywhere near this case.
Understand fully.
I won't interrogate Patsy, but you better find out everything she knows.
You never know, says an agent can go in everything.
You're the one that got fearless and got that.
Them know I'm a baby mother there.
You have to lay low for a while.
Yo, that is a plug out in them, sir. Talking the next one.
Think about the safety of your daughter and your baby, man.
Call the shots.
What exactly are you helping with?
Where were really just a Chris?
You still love that youth, Patsy?
Fire really as a Chris.
I don't know if I can trust you around me no more.